Hi friends, this video shows how to screen mirror iPhone 15 to Google TV Streamer 4K device. First, we need to connect both iPhone and Google TV Streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Let me go to this iPhone and open the settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this iPhone to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, this Google TV Streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. After that, in this Google TV Streamer, we need to install one app. This is app, AirScreen app. We can use this AirScreen app or this Air Mirror Receiver app. Both will work. In this video, I will be using this AirScreen app. See, this is the app. I already installed this app. You can use this search field. Here you can search for AirScreen and install this app. Let me open this app. Select continue. Press OK button on the remote. Select grant. Select while using the app. Select confirm. We can close this screen. On top right corner you can see one close icon. Select it. Select yes. Now it's initializing. Okay, done. Now this app is ready. Let me go to iPhone. Here in this iPhone, from top right corner, swipe down. And here you can see screen mirroring icon. Tap on this icon. And here you can see the same name. See, the same name as Google TV Streamer. Same name you can see here. Tap on this name. Please wait. See, done. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just rotate the screen. That way you can switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again, from top right corner, swipe down. Go to this screen mirroring. Tap here. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.